Revision worksheet 4 for class 9. The question number 1 is, if x plus a is a factor of a polynomial x square plus px plus q and x square plus mx plus n, prove that a equal to n minus q upon m minus p. X plus a is the factor of the polynomial. Let the polynomial, first polynomial px equal to x square plus px plus q. This is the first polynomial, and second polynomial, let the qx equal to x square plus mx plus n. Okay, as x plus a is a factor of both polynomials, the factor of both polynomials. It means px, p minus a equal to 0 and q minus a equal to 0. If we put x plus a as a factor, it means x equal to minus a. Put in place of x minus a. Okay. So in the first polynomial, minus a whole square plus p into minus a plus q equal to 0. And second one, minus a whole square plus m into minus a plus n equal to 0. Okay, just put minus a in place of x. So we get a square minus ap plus q equal to 0. This is the first equation. And second, a square minus am plus n equal to 0. This is the equation number 2. Subtracting two from 1. Subtracting equation 2 from 1. If we subtract the minus, sign change plus minus, तो we get am पॉजिटिव होगा, am माइनस ए पी इक्वल टू n माइनस क्यू. ये माइनस है, दिस साइड जाके n माइनस क्यू. तो a कॉमन, m माइनस p इक्वल टू n माइनस क्यू. तो वी गेट a इक्वल टू n माइनस क्यू ओवर m माइनस p. Okay, if this is a factor, means the value of the polynomial when we put minus a in place of x, so we get 0. Okay, and now subtract the equation from 1 from 2. The question number 2 is a case-based question. A child had 2 sticks of equal length. He named them AB and CD. Then he placed these 2 sticks in 3 different manners. Then he joined the 4 vertices. 2 sticks AB and CD. First we put like this. In second and third. These are the 3 figures. And join the vertices. By dotted line, join the vertices. These are the figures. 2 स्टिक है, उनको कभी उसने इस डिजाइन में रखा है, ऐसे रखा है, या जैसे भी रखा है. अब बेस्ड द एबव इंफॉर्मेशन, एबव द फाइंड इंफॉर्मेशन, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस. द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ क्वाड्रिलेटरल इज फॉर्म्ड इन फिगर 1. द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ क्वाड्रिलेटरल फॉर्म्ड इन द फिगर 1. दिस इज द फिगर 1. Okay, the diagonals are bisecting each other. Okay, equal diagonals and bisect each other. Therefore, it is a rectangle. It is a rectangle. Question number 2. What is the sum of consecutive angles of a parallelogram? We know that the sum of the consecutive angles of a parallelogram is always 180 degree. Consecutive angles of a consecutive means, suppose angle A plus angle D. Sum of these 2 angles is equal to 180 degree. And the third, if angle BAD equal to 70 degree, in figure 3, find CDA. BAD, this angle is equal to 70 degree. Then CDA. So we know that the angle A plus angle D equal to 180 degree. If angle A equal to 70 degree, then D equal to 110. Okay. And the next, name the quadrilateral formed by joining the midpoints of a sides of any quadrilateral ABCD. And the fifth is, three angles of a quadrilateral are equal and fourth angle measures 60 degree. Find the measure of each of equal angles. In the first, I am solving the third part. Third part, the if angle BAD equal to 70 degree, then find angle CDA. This is the third part. So we know that the sum of consecutive angles is equal to 180 degree. Okay, sum of two consecutive angles of a parallelogram is equal to 180 degree. The BAD is 70 degree plus CDA equal to 180 degree. Angle CDA equal to 180 minus 70 equal to 110 degree. Okay, this one is the third. Fourth, name the quadrilateral formed by joining the midpoints of any quadrilateral. These are the midpoints. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4. Join the midpoints. So we get a parallelogram. What is the answer? Parallelogram. The quadrilateral formed by joining, you can write as a quadrilateral formed by joining midpoints of sides of any quadrilateral. Quadrilateral will be a parallelogram. Will be a parallelogram. Okay. And the next, the fifth one is, if the one angle of this is given that equal to 60 degree. Suppose angle A equal to 60 degree and all three angles are equal. Angle B plus equal to C equal to D equal to X. Let X. Find the measure each equal angles. So we know that the sum of all four angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. Okay. The angle is 60 degree and B plus C plus D equal to 360. 3x equal to 360 minus 60, 300 degree. It means each angle equal to 300 by 3 equal to 100 degree. Okay. Next, question number 3. AOC is a diameter of circle and arc AXB equal to half of arc B by C. This is a figure. Find B by C. Measure of the arc B by C. This is the figure. AOC is a diameter and join BOC. Okay. So given that arc AXB equal to half of arc B by C. Arc B by C. The arc measurement is the angle made at the center. It means angle AOB equal to half of angle BOC. Arc measure means the angle made at the center. Okay. The AXB arc equal to angle AOB, B by C angle of BOC. We know that angle AOB plus angle BOC equal to 180 degree. They are forming a linear pair. AOB plus BOC equal to 180 degree. So AOB equal to half of angle BOC plus angle BOC equal to 180 degree. Okay. Now add 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 angle BOC 180 degree. Angle BOC equal to 2 into 180 degree by 3 cancel, it is equal to the 120 degree. So arc measure, arc BYC equal to 120 degree. Okay. Question number 4. The question number 4 from construction. Construct an equilateral triangle if its altitude is 6 centimeter with justification. Construct an equilateral triangle. देखिए first we draw a line, okay, and draw a perpendicular from it on it. Perpendicular means from this to cut an arc. Suppose this is an perpendicular, okay, and cut an arc. Altitude is 6 centimeter high, means cut an arc of 6 centimeter. The equilateral triangle, we know that the each angle is equal to the 60 degree. So from, and this is the vertex A. तो एंगल ए इक्वल टू 60 डिग्री. तो हम लोग इधर 60 मीन्स इधर 30 डिग्री कंस्ट्रक्ट करेंगे. 60 हाफ 30 डिग्री एंड दिस साइड ऑल्सो 60 एंड हाफ 30 डिग्री. एंगल ए इक्वल टू 60 डिग्री, देयरफॉर एंगल ये 90 है, ये एंगल कितना होगा 60 60. दिस इज द वेरिफिकेशन जस्टिफिकेशन. इफ एंगल ए इक्वल टू 60 डिग्री देन एंगल बी एंड सी ऑल्सो 60 and 60 degree. Let's see the construction. See here is a question number 5. Volume and surface area. Nishant likes to build a block from small cubes of side 2 centimeter, like the one shown in the figure. This is a cube of side 2 centimeter. Nishant had lots of small cubes like this. One of them uses glue to join cubes together to make a block like this. इसने कितने ब्लॉक्स को ऐड किया है 9 को, और इसको एक नया क्यूब बनाया है. ठीक है. तो व्हाट इज द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द रिजल्टिंग ब्लॉक एंड व्हाट इज द टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द रिजल्टिंग ब्लॉक. तो इट इज ऑल्सो ए क्यूब. द सरफेस ऑफ दिस इज सिंगल क्यूब इज 2 centimeter. So now side of this new cube is 2 plus 2 plus 2 6. Okay. Each edge of the resulting cube 2 + 2 + 2 6 सेंटीमीटर। उसने 3 क्यूब्स को ऐड किया है, 1 2 3, इस तरीके से 3 क्यूब्स को उसने ऐड करके एक क्यूब बनाया है 3 का। ठीक है, तो साइड हो गई 6। नाउ A = 6 सेंटीमीटर। फर्स्ट वॉल्यूम ऑफ रिजल्टिंग ब्लॉक, वॉल्यूम ऑफ रिजल्टिंग ब्लॉक, it is equal to the A cube, A's into A's into A's, which is equal to the 6 cube 216 cubic centimeter cube. Second, the total surface area of the resulting cube, total surface area of resulting block or the cube. The total surface area is 6 into A square. It means 6 into 6 into 6. 6 into A square is also 216 square centimeter. Okay. Now the volume is 216 cubic centimeter and total surface area 216 centimeter square. Next, find the probability of getting a multiple of 5 when a dice is thrown. Resulting a multiple of 5 when a die is thrown. When a die is rolled, so we get the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. The multiple of 5. Multiple of 5 only 1. This is the multiple of 5. It means the favorable outcomes 1. Number of favorable outcome is only 1 and total number of outcomes 6. Therefore, probability getting a multiple of 5 equal to 1/6. Okay.